Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on HUAWEI MediaPad M5 Lite. So you have to start with opening your Google Play. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click install. And now you can click open. Here you can make your Firefox your main browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And now you can use your Firefox browser as your regular browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.